How to recover a deleted project in CapCut Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily recover a deleted project in CapCut Mobile. So without any further delay, let us just jump right in. Go ahead and open up your CapCut application first and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you can find all of your projects on your home screen. At the bottom, you have different options like templates, projects, and me. Or go over to projects and it will show you all of your available projects. So I have 40 projects here on my device. So let me quickly delete one of them. You can just tap on it, tap on the three dots, and then I can just go ahead and tap on delete. Tap on delete, and as you can see, before you delete, CapCut itself notifies you that it will stay in the trash for 7 days. Go ahead and tap on delete, and now it has been moved to trash. If you're unsure where to find your trash option, right here on projects you have locals, spaces, media, and then you have your trash. And you have your projects over here. If you want to recover them, it will be here for 7 days, but if you come here after 7 days, they will be permanently deleted. So make sure you do this within 7 days. Tap on the three dots and then tap on restore. Do the same thing for the other project as well. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.